I am Bhavprita. I am a participant of PGPX 17-18 batch. I had work experience of about 14 years. I mainly worked in management consulting for retail and FMCG clients across India, Europe and UK. And I also have had experience of running a startup for about 2.5 years. When I had the offer, after the euphoria settled in, I was actually nervous. I couldn't sleep that night because now I knew that I had to decide. Most of the time I was thinking, I was introspecting and reflecting, how much important it is and how much disruption it is going to cause. So those were the conflicts and whether it was doable. At first I have two children, 8-year-old son and 4-year-old daughter, and at first it seemed like impossible thing to do. So I even ridiculed myself that it's a crazy thing to do. But then I was really doubtful if I can do it, if my children can live without me, and my home can run as it is even I'm not there because I was the caretaker. So these were the main conflicts, and I had a very tough decision to make. So I knew that I had to resolve this conflict because it was not something which suddenly came up that I wanted to do it. It was back of my mind. It was on my plan somewhere, but I was not able to decide on the time, and I had taken that decision that now is the time. Husband was the closest one. He is the partner in everything, and of course he knew my dilemmas and everything, and I would have to say that without his support, he always supported me right through the decision to the GMAT application, everything, and he believed that it will be good for me in long term, and there are some sacrifices in the short term, but he was willing to support me in any possible way. After my husband, the next person would be my mother. I spoke to many people, but my mother was the person who swinged the decision for me, because she told me to not even think twice. It is an opportunity. You should not, in no way you should even think about letting it go, because in future you would regret, and in the long term, in the interest of long term and for bigger goals, some short term sacrifices are to be made, and it will be tough for you, for children, for everybody, but but it will be worth. In future your children will be proud of you. You can be a role model for your daughter, and she, after talking to her, I was almost I made up my mind, and she said a line that big goals cannot be achieved without small sacrifices, so sacrifices have to be done. Life has been very different, for the home I am missing, but since I decided to not bring my children here, though I will like to add that institute provides adequate support in terms of a very spacious 1 BHK living apartment for married families, students who are married and have family. They also have domestic helps and the daycare, and they help in admissions to the school. So there is infrastructure and support available. So it was difficult. Initial weeks are after any change, the closest you are to the change, that's when you are adjusting to the new normal, and there is an inertia and you find it difficult. Emotionally also the program is very rigorous and intense, so it hits you that way also, but in a way I found it useful because it was so intense that it immersed me. It didn't give me enough time to be homesick and do all that, so that was actually helpful, which everybody grips about. But and then we established certain things, like I established a mechanism of communication. So I made a routine that I'll call 3 times minimum when my children are going to school in the morning, and then when they come back, and then at night. So I have a recap of what happened in a day from them directly. They can always call me other than the class times, any time. And they have that at least security that I am a call away and I'm talking to them, and I also have that satisfaction that I'm not missing out on what's happening on daily basis. My final advice to aspiring MBA moms would be to introspect and reflect on your past work which you've done in your career and your future goals. If you want to go ahead and achieve the highest of corporate success, it is important to equip yourself with what everybody would have at that position. So do not cut back on your ambition because of the additional responsibilities of home and kid. Every woman has that. At one point of time they will have, but at the same time as Chanda Kochar recently said in an interview, that you can have both. You can do both because both would run parallelly. So you know, do not give up on your career or your ambitions. Not even career here. You can do it. You get some support. You get the support from your husband and your close ones, your mothers and extended family, who will look after your children and home when you are not there, or even when you bring them to the campus, they will help you. I have been able to do it so far. You can do it, and it is entirely doable. So don't think too much. Just take the plunge and go for it. All the best.